Recording the sewer line here at 8020 27th Avenue Northwest. Date is February 24th, 2020. We're looking at the city main sewer line approximately 110 feet out from where we are recording. This is the clean out in the backyard of the home. We're looking at the clay sewer line, city line flowing by there, excuse me. And we're going to pull back from here. So we're in 6-inch concrete now, coming back towards us. The old 6-inch concrete line. Getting aggregate along the bottom, showing its age. And we're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. So we got a tie-in on the side there, or a downspout, likely tied in or ties in still. As you come back, you see the line is getting more and more aggregate. There's a small root coming in there at about 44 feet out. Little one coming in there at the top. Another one there at the top of the line. So there's a good 10-15 foot stretch where we got roots coming in there right after the turn and right at the turn. So you can see the bell is starting to separate. That's that 3-foot section, 3-foot section. This one's starting to come apart a little bit, which is allowing a bigger gap. One working its way towards a bigger issue.
That's the real backup.
Yep, that's your main pain right there.
Right.
So small root there as you lead up to that.
Kind of looks like every 3 feet.
Yep.
Like just a little bit. Yeah.
So coming back into the plastic line here, into the clean out, coming up the clean out.
Okay.
And that's that. There's our clean out access. I'm going to do a little bit of locating here, but I'm going to end the recording.